Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to save your game in SnowRunner. Saving your progress is crucial to avoid losing valuable time and effort in the challenging terrains. SnowRunner primarily uses an automatic saving system, but there are also ways to ensure your progress is recorded before you exit. We will cover both methods, providing you with clear instructions and helpful tips to keep your game progress safe and sound. Let's dive into the details. SnowRunner features a robust automatic saving system designed to frequently record your progress. The game saves automatically every few minutes during regular gameplay. Additionally, specific actions like completing a contract or task, entering or exiting any garage, and even switching between different maps will trigger an immediate save. This ensures that most of your recent progress is captured without you needing to manually intervene. While SnowRunner autosaves frequently, you can ensure your progress is saved before quitting. The most reliable method is to return to the main menu from within the game world. This action forces a save. Alternatively, driving into any garage and then exiting it will also trigger a save. Always wait for the small spinning save icon, usually in the corner of your screen, to vanish completely before closing the game application. To maximize your save security, always try to complete a small objective or visit a garage before exiting the game. This ensures a recent save point is created. Never power off your gaming system or close the application while the save icon is visible, as this can corrupt your save data. If you encounter any issues, verify your game files through your platform's client. A stable power supply is also crucial to prevent unexpected shutdowns during critical save operations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.